hello. I am going to reorganize my room and I'm going to film myself doing it because it helps me stay focused. Usually I film and then I do voiceover, and I might do a little bit of that. There's a cat. Say hello.
But actually I think I'm probably going to narrate for most of it, if that's okay with you. I'm currently sitting on my beanbag. Everything's getting reorganized, kind of. I don't know. All right, hold on.
First and foremost, I need to clean. Like, I have to put, that's clean laundry. I have to put all this stuff away and like clean this.
This I might keep the same. I'm not really sure. I need to clean my desk, put away clothes, but I know for sure that this is going over here, and the big project is reorganizing my movies, because this is going to be flipped up. Like, I'm going to, like, make it vertical rather than horizontal, so I have to, like, reorganize all of those, and then I might have to move some stuff on my wall around so that my bed can fit and be in the corner. Yeah.
Over here, I'm not sure. Like, I am definitely gonna have to clean this desk. I might move this. I want to keep my music there. I hate this table, but I need it for storage, so
I definitely want this there, so.
So obviously, first things first is I'm gonna play some music.
I don't know what exactly I want to listen to.
This is a great room cleaning record, so we'll go with this. Hello, this is Cody that's editing the video. This is not a stop motion, a fast, whatever it's called on the iPhone when you make it go really fast, of me folding my laundry. And it's really funny to me because I'm moving so quickly and the cat looks really silly in the chair. And yeah, this entire thing was like 30 seconds, but in real life it took me like 30 minutes. So enjoy the zoom. Well, that's done, and it barely looks any different, but that's okay.
Everything's off the floor now, kind of. I mean, I still have, like, oh, I guess those are more dirty clothes that I'll end up putting in there, because those are now my dirty clothes. But I did get through with doing that before I had to flip the record, which was my goal. So we're doing good.
I changed my shirt, and now I think I want to move this, because I know this is my main goal, is to get this over there. So I think it's time to move furniture. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna put everything like on the bed.
I move it. It don't make sense.
It's a map. I wonder if this music is gonna get copyrighted, because the last time I did a video like this and you could hear the music, it was Midnights by Taylor Swift, and it got copyrighted in like 12 seconds. I love this little creature. He is one of those floofy, fluffy alpacas. Like, it goes all the way to his bones. When I've moved my bed in the past, I've taken it like completely apart. Like, I like took the mattress off and moved it like separately. I don't think I'm gonna do that this time because I have a bunch of stuff on it, and I'm just pushing it literally like 5 feet. So hopefully everything's gonna be okay. I'm gonna push it from this way, so mind your business. Okay, I don't know, maybe pulling? I pulled it too far. I was like, oh my god, this is so easy. This doesn't feel like anything.
Because I pulled the whole dang bed off the...
It's called a bed frame, and I pulled my entire bed off of it.
Okay, well...
Okay, I think I'm gonna, like, put it back and try again.
I guess I can't move it without the entire bed coming off. What the heck? Yeah.
What I should do is vacuum over here, but I'm not going to do that.
For now, though, I need to figure out, like, I need like a levy system. I need like a pulley, like a...
I guess maybe I'll just...
Why is this so difficult? I was like, I'll just move everything all at once. I don't think I can do it. Yeah, because if I pull this... Okay, well, what if I, like... get it all the way? Okay. It's not happening.
Plan B. Okay, I'm changing my strategy. I'm gonna take everything off of there and put it on my desk and then clean my desk later.
Okay.
Or not. Okay. I really should vacuum. I did it, and now my bed's over there. Everything is crazy. I like it there. And then my bedside table is gonna go there.
Yeah, I want there to be like a little... I want my beanbag to be like right here, I think. I think I'm gonna keep this like this. This though is gonna get flipped and then...
Yeah, I see that. I punched the wall in my sleep.
So I think, okay, so next I'm gonna tidy up this a little bit. Let's do a fun little transition.
Wow. It looks the same. There's just less garbage on the floor. Also, okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna shift this, like, to face this way. And then I'm gonna have... You'll see. It'll make sense. Okay, so now I've got this like this. And then I have, like... I envisioned this a lot smaller in my head. But it's, like... It's comfy. Like, it's nice.
This is my view right now, which I need to fix. But I kind of have the goal of like having a little reading nook and then that being on the other side of this. I don't really know how to describe it, but we're getting there. Also, I changed the record and we're going to listen to Shark Attack, which is a local band here in the city that I live in.
So now I think it's time to do my movies because that's the fun part. So I want to do it right now. It's a moth. Do I like it like that? Or no?
The problem is the angle of this bookshelf. I'm gonna do something and then, hold on.
Okay, you see what I'm cooking up? I needed, wait, sorry. Yes, so I have beanbag and then I'm gonna put like a little lamp or something down there. I'm not really sure just yet. But I'm gonna keep this up and I'll move some of the stuff that's behind it on the wall somewhere else. But it is time to reorganize my movies.
My goal is to be done with my entire room by midnight. Actually, the way that this is organized is probably gonna need to be flipped. Like all of these are, well, not those, this is gonna be like these, those are gonna be closer to the top. You'll see. Okay, I did it. It's been a while since the record stopped and I haven't flipped it yet. I'm losing steam and I'm getting tired. It's almost 10. I want to be done in the next 2 hours, but I've got my movies. Here, wait.
I have them kind of set up like by genre, kind of, but also just like by vibe, I guess. I like to put like, I don't know, I like all these movies and I wish that I could put every single one of them at the top. Yeah, and see how I made like a little cocoon area over here, and I'm gonna put like a light down there. I'm getting there. Okay? I'm almost done. Sneak peek. See? The carpet is so dirty.
I don't even know what to do with this. All of this, I don't know. Oh, kitty? I don't know what to do with it because I don't want to clean my desk. Oh my God, the last thing I want to do is clean my desk right now. But my room's not clean and finished until my desk is done. but I want to like bask and enjoy my room. I think I'm gonna like enjoy the half that's done and then do my desk half tomorrow because I'm tired.
It is multiple days later. I just took a shower and actually I found a piece of furniture out on the side of the street. I was not planning on that happening, but I did, and it's really cute and it's in here now. You can kind of see in like the original videos I had like a white desk here, and I think I did actually mention that I wanted to get something else. So there is the something else. I'm really excited about it. It's really cute. I think it obviously like belonged to children, but that's okay. I like the knobs and I like the colors. So yay, new piece of furniture. And I think I'm pretty much done. I did clean my desk, like in the in-between time of filming and right now, like the other filming that I did and right now.
Yeah, I did that because I was tired of seeing it look like a mess. So I kind of cleaned that. I mean, it doesn't look clean, but this is clean because it's like stuff I'm using. And there's a kitty cat. And yeah, so I'm gonna like turn off the lights and like light some candles, and I'll do one last like run through of what my room looks like.
So this is what it would look like if I only had my lights and candles on. I have this little reading nook and all my little candles, my Dolly Parton candle, and my incense over here, and yeah, and then my desk is over here, which I actually have this light, and this is about to come on. Like, this is how I usually would hang out in here, is with this light on, and then I can actually see my desk. So yeah, that's it. My bed was over there and now it's over there, and everything is a lot nicer. I really like how much space this gives me in the middle of the floor. I can like do stretches and like hang out, and I don't know, I just really like it. So I'm happy with it, and I don't know why I didn't put my bed over there in the first place. Oh, and this new piece of furniture. This is where I keep this is like the exact same setup as what I had before, except these candles also need to be lit. But this is like the same setup as I had before, except I like this piece of furniture better. But this is where I keep like all my records, and this is my record player, and it also plays CDs, and I have my CDs here, etc., 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 etc. Yeah, cool. It's done. I'm done.